What's up, y'all? It's your girl Keisha back with another video. Y'all read this title. Today I'm going to be doing my May IvyBox unboxing. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are already a part of my YouTube family, welcome back. Anyways, y'all, if you haven't checked out my last IvyBox unboxing for the month of April, you can find the link above. Now, we're gonna go and get into the video. So, how have y'all been? Everybody, I hope everybody been doing fine doing this crazy world that we got going on. But yeah, so I just took it out the shipping box, and this is my IvyBox. Let's see what we got this month, y'all. Last month I was excited, and if you go watch the video, you'll see how excited I was. So this is the box on the side. Yeah, let's see. And this is what it looks like on the side. Okay. So this time we have our little description card, and it has the theme on the back. The theme for this box is celebrating women, God sent gifts. Then it tells you what's in the box. It says a AKA spring quilted jacket, pink and green crystal hair clips, pink and green tea rose necklace set. Then you also have your card if you need to exchange or something like that. Oh, happy Mother's Day. They put a Mother's Day card in here. And yes, if you're new to my channel, I am a mommy. I have a 14-year-old, and yeah, I do have a video on my channel with him when I took him test driving, so click the link above to go check out our little vlog that we did. So got another jacket. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice jacket. A nice collar. And then our shield. It's like kind of hard. But yeah, it's nice. I got the buttons. Put it down. Some nice little pockets. So let's go ahead and throw this in. Oh, okay. Yes. It's nothing. It's plain black, but as y'all can see, yeah, see the texture. It's a nice jacket. I love it. What y'all think? Then we have this little thing right here. It says Happy Mother's Day. And it's the pink tea rose. Look at this. Y'all see? Oh, I love it. It is so cute. It has a little message, Happy Mother's Day. It is so cute. I love this. And then necklace. Okay. So I'm back. My SD card was full, so I had to rearrange stuff. But anyways, so these are the hair clips. They're so cute. I want to take them out and put one in so you can see how the hair clip looks. Okay, I like these. This is cute. If you want, you can put both of them in. Yeah. We're gonna take. I'll leave this out as well. So, the special message that was on here says, God sent you to me as a special gift from above to teach me life lessons and shower me with your love. And then it says, Happy Mother's Day. And then it's a small one and a big one. Oh my gosh, this is like so cute. I'm gonna take one off and put it on. If I can get all these nails. Y'all know how I be getting stuff on with nails. Oh, this is so cute. Look y'all. And then it has IvyBox. It has IvyBox on here. It is so cute. Yes. Oh, this is so cute. I hope I can get this on by myself, y'all. Oh, first try. Okay. First try. Look at it, y'all. Oh my gosh. It is so beautiful. I love this. I really love this. This is so cute. It is so cute. I wish I had earrings. That is so cute. So we have our nice jacket. We have our cute hair clips and our necklace. So this was just a quick video unboxing, and like I said before, if you haven't seen my April unboxing video, make sure you go check that out. The link will be above, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join my family. So there you have it, my May unboxing for my IvyBox. Until next time, I'll catch y'all while y'all watching me. Peace. I'm out.